Hi guys, welcome back to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So we've something a bit different in with us today. So we've got an American car. So we have a Dodge Challenger 392 with the 6.4 I think it is engine. So a bit of a beast, this one. Not in for a huge amount of work with us on this occasion. So we're fitting a supplied front lower splitter and canards to go on the front bumper. It is coming back to have a rear diffuser fitted at a later date, but that's the bits we're doing for now, and we thought we'd do a video of it because it's something a little bit different. So normal thing is like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notifications, it's all hugely appreciated. Also keeps you up to date with any up and coming videos and cars and styling that we're doing. So thank you very much. Right, let's get this beast in the workshop. This does sound pretty smart, so here we go. There's not many that sound like this. Baby in the workshop. Right, we're now over with Adam and the Dodge Challenger, fitting the lower black front splitter and canards.
Yeah.
Aren't we, Adam?
Yeah, we're just getting ready to, as we speak, yeah.
You looking forward to this one?
Oh mate, I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh no, it's going to look very nice when it's done. So we've got these little rods that attach to the bumper and hold it on as well.
Lovely.
Stainless steel, high quality stainless steel, shouldn't rust.
And then we've got the canards over here. Oh, look at them in the fixing kit. Excellent.
You fix it, of course we can.
And then just over here. Hi. Hi guys, thank you for checking out our latest YouTube video. So in this one, as you know, we've been working with this fantastic American muscle car, the Dodge Challenger. We've fitted the supplied lower front splitter and the side canards to the front bumper. So as always, it's much appreciated for checking out our videos. Like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications, that way you'll keep up to date with all of our videos. Check out some of our other videos as well. Superb, right, thanks very much for watching. See us again soon.